How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. You can do it on iPhone or Android. Now, look at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the profile picture. In the top right corner, tap the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. In this, select your activity. Scroll down to find Download Your Information at the bottom of the list. Click on it. Now, tap on Download or Transfer Information. Then select from which account you want to download information. After that, follow some on-screen instructions here. Customize your download by selecting the desired date range, format, and medium quality to customize your download settings. Then click on Create Files to submit the request. Instagram will process it and send a link to your email. You'll receive an email confirmation when your file is ready. Now go back to Instagram, then your activity, and then download the information section. Here, you can find available downloads. Click on the download option, then follow any screen instructions to download. Now click on the download option to go to the file. It will be downloaded as a zip file, so click on it to extract. Now open the extracted file. In this, scroll down, click on your activity. Here, tap on Messages. There, you can find all the deleted chats on your Instagram account. Tap on the chat which one you want to see. There you have it.